So my real job, I have a problem. I have customers that keep breaking something, and part of the reason they're breaking it is top heavy. So here's some video clips of me trying to work out different solutions to address those two problems. We've already ruled out using stainless steel tubes because the coolants that we're using, the pH levels even corrode stainless over time unless it's coated with something. Now we're getting really expensive. Other materials are too thick to fit into the area that they need to fit. So I'm kind of got a size constraint, and then I have a fluid issue I have to keep in mind all the time. By the way, not looking for suggestions. It's just showing something for information's sake, difference between PETG and ABS, TPU, those things. It's done. Test number 1. So it did break when I hit the floor. Okay, here is a tube. We have ABS. So that's an option. So here's bumper Mark II. Ooh, that came off there easy. Here is the tube with bumpers. Here's a recap. This is being sold or brought in from my factory just like this. And it has this pressed in the end, and it sits like this. And it's top heavy. Customers knock it off and it breaks. So we tested printing this tube out of PETG, and I'll put the video in here. I dropped it and it breaks. So the same tube printed out of ABS, and I dropped it and then I threw it on the floor and it didn't break. Then I took the tube and just put TPU bumpers on the ends, and that worked really well. Problem with TPUs is it's not as chemically resistant, so we could have some coolants that affect it. Where this is ABS, and that's probably the same plastics in the machine now, and we've never had a problem with anything affecting the plastic. So here's the top of the shower head. It feels too heavy to be aluminum. It should be aluminum, but it feels too heavy to be aluminum. So that weighs 1 pound, 14 ounces. And if we went to a plastic version, 6.3 ounces. So over a pound weight difference on the top of the tube going to a plastic shower head over the one that comes with it. Now the combination of this feels like it's the same weight as just this along the polycarbonate. How long will this last without testing the different coolants and pH levels in the coolants? I'm not sure. So now I'm going to send these up to my warehouse, let them run through some tests in the machine. Got some older coolant in the machine. It's a water-soluble coolant, and if it's fresh, it's never a problem. It's a biodegradable coolant. But I have customers that tend to not take care of it, and if you don't take care of the pH level, it's kind of like your pool. It either goes where you're growing stuff or it burns you.